this thing open. All right, good morning, YouTube. We are going for a walk. Let's get it in. Start to another vlog. Hit the like button. Let's vibe. We got a cozy little baby. Here's a cozy baby. Here's a cozy. We ain't going to walk. We ain't going to walk. Yeah? We going to walk? Let's go on a walk. Come on. Let's do it. All right, we got back from a walk. Yeah, that was a good one. We got a sleepy little baby. Hey, sleepy little baby. And Jana is getting an order packed because somebody placed an order. We appreciate you guys, man. We're getting a little mystery care package. You got some stickers, you got some THCA, you got some free shirts, you got some hats, you got a YOCAN. You never know what's going to be in the mystery box, so thank you guys. We appreciate you supporting the merch as well. Let's go. JimTanna.com. Almost at 21,000 already. Yo, thank you guys. That's insane too, by the way. Nearly 20,000 views on the video. Major love, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. It truly means the world to us. Let's keep vibing, man. Let's rock with these vlogs. Let's just keep doing what we're doing. We're filming whatever we're doing. Whatever that is. Whatever it is, I don't know. I do not know. But I do know I'm bringing y'all with us, man, because I appreciate your energy. You guys are amazing. I see the comments. I see the support. Big cheers. Thank you, girl. Where's a cute baby? Come on, come on, sit. Sit. Good girl. Hi. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Yeah, the baby. You're such a grump to death. Hi. Oh man, we're smoking some Green Dog fucking guavas today. I've also been smoking this RS11 Turtle Pie, super fire. If you guys see any of these strains, definitely check them out. They are delicious. Green Dog also cultivates the Pine Park flowers. So if you don't know that, now you do know. Let's take a rip. The RS11 is delicious. Delicious, man. Tasty. The terps, delicious. Absolute pure flavor. If you're looking for a new place to grab some smoke gear, everything420.com is your spot. They've got all the brands, all right? They've got Stizzy, they've got Packwoods, they've got the glass you need, but they've also got specially curated mystery boxes, all right? You might get real cannabis seeds in there, you might get Delta products, you might get fire hemp products, all right? It's a mystery, but it's a fire one. The best part, it's all discreetly shipped to your door. You don't have to worry about, hey, it's got a giant weed leaf on it, am I gonna get in trouble? You don't have to worry about that. Discreet shipping, everything420.com. Another cool section they have on the store, it's their like 420 stoner dollar section. Everything priced at $4.20. And there's a variety of different options. As you can see on the screen right now, you can pick some bangers. And again, it's $4.20. It's a dub. Everything420.com is often running sales, so make sure you pull up on the website. There will be a link in the description of this video. Make sure you hit the link, use the discount code, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, baby mode engaged. We are chilling. It's crazy how big she's gotten already, guys. Like, she can hold her neck up and stuff. It's absolutely insane. I'm waiting for Jana to get home, and then I think we're jumping on some lives. Just been trying to vlog everything. What's really cool about these vlogs too is not only do we get to make content and stuff, but I also was just thinking, like, these are also just gonna be amazing memories for when she's older, when our family, like, we can share with and stuff. Just cool memories of watching her grow up, watching just all these like unique moments and stuff of seeing like milestones and stuff. So we're just gonna vlog everything, man. So I appreciate you guys enjoying the content. We're gonna be cooking. We're gonna be doing a lot more content too with Jana. Jana's been trying to get back in the flow of making YouTube stuff. She's been posting a lot of shorts, but we got some long form stuff coming soon. So we got you guys, man. Tons of content. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Let's rock this shit. So right now I'm making a little contraption for Jana's YouTube video where we're gonna try some new stuff. She said she wants to do some like family style content. Let's do it. So we're doing like a guess the drink type of challenge. Pepsi versus Coke versus generic Coke versus another Pepsi. Oreos if we can try. We're trying. We did a little similar video like this on this channel on JimTanna. So we're gonna do some stuff that Jana enjoyed doing. We're gonna try it over on I Am The Alphabet. If you don't know, the link is in the description. Let's keep vlogging. Let's keep rocking. Drink challenge right here. We're gonna do a little cookie challenge. Can you tell the difference? Generic brand. It's a good time, man. It's a good time. Filmed all on her phone. Today we having fun making content. Yeah, come on. No cookie content. See, guys, all you need is a cell phone, man. You don't need no fancy stuff. My wife does all her stuff just on her cell phone. She's got 100,000 subscribers on Instagram, 10,000 subs on YouTube. All you need is a phone. No excuses. So I'm gonna cook a couple steaks. What we're doing is, this is part of Jana's vlog. We're doing like a can you guess
the difference. So we have a steak from Aldi's, steak from Sprouts. They're both grass-fed New York strips. This steak was $7. This steak was $23. Let's see if there's any difference. I'm not gonna let you guys know here if there's any difference. I will show you like the cooking part of it. But if you wanna watch that, head on over to JimTanna's. I am the Alphabet. Full video there. I'm hanging with the baby. This is the steak from Sprouts. Thick. Nice. Look at that thing. Thing's ready for an Instagram photo shoot right there, I'll tell you. And then the exact same way, cast iron, butter, garlic salt, that's it. Blind taste test. This is the one from Sprouts. I'm gonna dry it off real quick. All right, honestly, for a third of the price, still grass-fed. The marbling's a little lighter, but it's still a nice piece of fucking meat. Oh, Bailey says no. Those are the two differences right there. Hey, is it a vlog with the baby crying? Come on, you need the baby crying, okay? That's how you know you're at the right place. You're at JimTanna, baby, come on. All right, so we're gonna cook these up. We're gonna see if we can tell the difference. Visually, you could tell the difference, definitely. Like this piece just looks superior, right? It looks superior. We're gonna find out. Pat these dry so you get a better sear. Dude, definitely the Sprouts one looking way nicer. Maybe a little fresher, but are we gonna be able to tell when we actually eat it? Once it's cooked, once it's in yummy butter, it's got a nice crust on it, it's got the garlic salt dripping off of it, are we gonna be able to tell? We're gonna find out. Not in this video though. You're gonna have to go to JimTanna's video. Not in here. You ain't gonna find out here. I'm just gonna eat the steak and cook it. All right, we're just gonna get some butter. Wah! Crime baby and done steaks. Let's see if Janna's able to guess. These look fire. Yeah, buddy. Perfect. Bam. Bam. Let's see if Janna can find out. A little Cybertruck action. These things just got off some testing in the dirt. Let's go. That's cool. All right, it's Wednesday. You know, we're filming Pine Park After Dark, but we're also going to film another episode of The Munch. So let's head into the studio. Let's see what the boys are up to. Let's smoke some hash, some weed. Let's say what's up to Cepho and the Corgi. And most importantly, let's film some content, man. Let's do this. Shout out to Bobby Trill doing his damn thing, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's crazy. Gonna try out this new trilogy right here. We at the studio vibing. Everyone's working their butts off.
If you didn't know that story,
colorway looks crazy.
This is a magical treat that, you know, I got my treat and then Eric got his treat.
We are doing a Pepsi challenge type vibe with the French fries. Let's go. We got Gabi, Barney, Eric, Joseph. Come on, man. Let's get to it. Popeyes low-key has good fries. Not gonna lie. Has good fries. Busting up in the crunch berries. Oh, Lord.
The West Coast bugs are always hard to open.
Oh, dude, you need like a knife. We need a knife. Made it home from Pine Park. Janna made some tacos. Come on. That's a dub. Let's go. We are on the way to Pine Park Studios, baby. Let's get it going, all right? In this vlog, we're going to be showing some behind the scenes. We got a little team meeting type vibe going on this morning. I'm also going to possibly do a stream. I don't know if I have the time to do it at the studios. Running a little bit late, but I do want to try out this D1 cart I got from Green Dog. Let's see if it's smoking. We're gonna find out. I'll keep you guys updated.
Sit. Yes.
From the GOAT back here, Jason, he's fucking operating the dab lab over here at the Pine Park Studios. We're about to get a little stony before we have lunch and a nice little team meeting, man. But Eric is live streaming right now, so he needs to get his ass in the car, whip it down here, baby, in the Corvette, so we can start this meeting. Come on.
Should probably did hotter. It's the craziest little beat I've ever seen. There's a little person on it surfing. What the fuck is that? Who makes this?
Black stained glass. And then Goober Gabe makes the little guy that's on there.
It's gonna get
I've never seen a piece like this before. That's so weird.
Yeah. I just don't like clickbait on my main channel, you know? But I feel like that's the thing to do. Gotta like clickbait and I can't believe this happened.
Yeah, the terms. How do we know what I spoke?
Face to face.
Dude, I gave you a little salad.
Oh my.
I did, both of them.
You guys?
Of course.
Now ready for a phone call.
On the bus right
The custom juicer. Oh, baby.
My God.
Yeah, she
She's a juicer.
Gabi brought a brand new custom solve out. We have to take a look. We got to take a look. Look at this bad boy right there. What color did you go with, Ray?
It's called Light Elvis Red.
Light Elvis red.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
I will say this.
Yeah, right here.
On the
Light Red Elvis, pardon me. Light Red Elvis. Yeah.
Say it correctly, all right?
Yeah.
Say it correctly.
We're gonna give up this.
Honestly, I haven't
Someone just like someone just
What
random
the
as
fuck?
fuck. But it doesn't have to be tuning in the episode. I'm on the left side starting today again. Almost 1,000 people on a pump me.
All right, we are making our way home right now. Time to make some food. If anybody wants to do some cooking, grab your recipes. It is time to get in the kitchen as soon as I get home. I don't know what we're making, but we got to feed the beautiful lady. I can't wait till I can eventually cook food for the baby too. That's actually exciting. I just thought about that. I was going to say for the family, but the baby just gets milk right now. So let's get to some cooking, boys. Let's do it. I did not end up cooking anything last night. I don't know, I did a little stream, felt fine, but then just after the stream, I got a headache and just kind of felt really, really just fatigued and tired. So I just took the rest of the night off. Jana made some food and I just chilled. Rough night of sleep. So we're gonna chill today, take a super, super chill day today. A little rest day. I will vlog with you guys. What I'm gonna try to do while I'm just chilling and relaxing is review this D1 cart from Green Dog Cultivators. Let's get into it. Let's review it. Let's hang out today. I think we're gonna go sit at the park. So I'll take you guys to the park, maybe on a little walk or something like that. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for hanging out on the slow days with the vlogs, on the adventures, whatever it is. You guys are always there, dropping love. Major love. Thank you. Let's go. We got a UFC day today while we enjoy the doghouse cart. That's going to be fantastic. It starts in a couple of moments. Let's go, baby. So we're going to be trying today the D1 right here from Green Dog. Green Dog always be putting out some fire. So when Barney said he's got a little cart to try, I got a little excited. All right, I got a little excited. Farmers first, man. Let's get this thing open. Can't rip it. Needs scissors. So I'm gonna have to grab some scissors real quick. And then it's a 510 threaded cart, so I gotta find something to smoke this on because I don't know if I have a battery. Cut this thing open. This is the 510 thread, right? Yeah, buddy, it sure is. Oh, it's stinky. This thing smells like a bag of weed. That's crazy. That's crazy. What the hell? The thing literally smells like a bag of weed. Look at this stuff behind me too. My wife makes dope art. I'll link her YouTube channel in the description as well. You should check out her vlogs. Let's get to smoking this thing. I actually need to find something to smoke this on. I don't know what I'm gonna do, so let's figure that out.
Get their licks and take some losses early in their career. Like has had to do. In the UFC.
And me. Hi, I'm here too.
I forgot. I'm kidding. I didn't. We made some birria from Trader Joe's. We're gonna fucking hopefully not be mad disappointed. We'll see. I don't know. Not bad. They're actually surprisingly delicious. Trader Joe's with a W right here. It's actually really good.
Yeah, I would rate it 7.4.
7.4. You heard it here.
7.4. Yeah.
Dripping. Woo. All right, lunch, delicious. I thought it was not going to be good, to be completely real, but I found something to smoke this cart, this Green Dog cart. Y'all about to start laughing, all right? Just get ready to start laughing. Boom. All right, what are we talking about? Ray gun time. Pew, 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 pew. This is the only thing I can find that I don't have a 510 battery. I don't have one. But this YOCAN device, it's a nectar collector. This is the phaser arc. We've done a couple videos on it before. Shout out to YOCAN, love ya. It works. And what's even weirder, it works from both sides. I know. I don't know why. Look, watch. Okay. Works on that side. What about this side? I'm confused. I know you're confused. I don't know if this is supposed to work. I don't think this was designed to work like this, but we might have discovered something, all right? This might be the weirdest way to smoke a cart right here. It might be. Eric pulled up to the studio the other day with like a bong to smoke carts out of. This might be weirder. Bro. I don't know what the hell is going on right now. But cheers. I appreciate you guys. Let's take a fucking rip. Bow. It's crazy. The D1. Pretty tasty right off the rip. I don't know what the D1, I forgot to ask. It's on that last episode on Pine Park. Barney explained it. I'm gonna have to go listen because I don't remember what the genetics are, but it's fucking good. Kind of sour. I kind of like smoking a cart like this. Let me know if you've ever seen anything like this, man. This is crazy. We're gonna smoke this cart. We're gonna vibe. We're watching UFC right now. We're hanging out. We're vlogging, baby. Feeling a little bit better though. Got some weed in my system right now. Feeling a little bit better. It's crazy how much the cannabis really does help with like the nerve pain and all this shit. Because the nerve pain is really, that and like the fatigue thing, man, the weed really just seems to help tremendously with it. So shout out motherfucking weed. I appreciate you. I'll see you in a second on the next clip. Watching a little of the Optic CDL gameplay right now, a little scumpy. Come on, come on. The boys got to clutch up though, that's all I know. They started off mad slow. I've been ripping this pen, vibing and chilling. I was a little worried when they went down in the first map. I was a little stressed out, but it seems like they're clutching up right now. They're clutching up. Let's hit this thing. Let's watch a little bit more of the match, cook some food, and vibe. Cheers. It's like rips, bro. It's insane. This is the weirdest setup right here. It's absolutely weird. Big cheers. All right, so we are making a little spaghetti right now. Super simple night. You guys know the vibes, man. It's almost all done, honestly. All right, we're just making a quick little easy spaghetti, little wheat pasta right here. We're gonna go in with the white sauce because Gianna wanted some spicy Alfredo, so we're gonna make it. And we also hit up a tree from our neighbor that was like, yo, you want some oranges? We're like, hell yeah. You want some grapefruits? Hell yeah. Plug, shout out, appreciate you. Thank you, thank you. Good morning, YouTube. What's going on? What's going on? Hope you guys are having a blessed start to your day. Big cheers, big cheers. Been chiefing on this D1 cart for the last few days now. That was the first hit of the day. Jesus Christ. The quality of the cart is through the roof, man. If I had to, I don't know if this is zooming in on me how weird it is. My bad. Super zoom on my face. The quality of the cart's insane. The D1, I think I like the blueprint flavor a little bit better. I think it was called Chef. Regardless though, both really, really, really terpy, super flavorful. Usually pretty smooth except for that hit right there. I think that was just the first hit of the day. Very potent. I don't know the price point on it. I wish I did because that would affect the score right here. But I'm going 7.6 on the score right here, especially just on this D1. I've been smoking this one over the last 3 days with my unique little way of smoking it right here. YOCAN, love you. Big cheers. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button, all right? It helps out a lot. It really does. It helps out tremendously. Cheers. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.